The super flip. The really cool pattern on the Rubik's Cube that flips all of the edges and can only be done in a minimum amount of 20 moves, making it theoretically the longest sequence of moves you could actually do on a Rubik's Cube. Let's have a look at God's number. And I thought it would be fun to see how fast I could do the super flip on a bunch of cubes, because you can't only do it on a 3x3, you can do it on bigger cubes, different puzzles, and I'm going to try and do some cool relays as well. But first of all, how do you actually do a super flip, and how fast can I do one? Let me show you. Alright, this is going to be my first attempt. Obviously I've done it before, but my first attempt for the day. So let's go. But I didn't do the last move, but there you go. 4.1. Alright, 3.9, just under 4. Okay, so how do you actually do a super flip? So it's pretty simple. You just do these moves. Hold it at any face. You just do these two moves over and over. M, U prime, M, U prime, M, U prime, M, U prime. You do that 4 times, and then you rotate like this and like this, and then you do the same thing. M, U prime, M, U prime, M, U prime, M, U prime. Do the same thing, rotate down like this. M, U prime, M, U prime, M, U prime, M, U prime. And then that solves the whole super flip. And you can do this on bigger cubes as well, which I'm gonna try and speed solve later. But essentially you do the big ones first, just like this, so it looks like a big 3x3, and then you do the middle moves. And then it turns into a super flip just like that. And you can do this on any size. Now the problem is you can't do it on even layered puzzles because they don't have any middle slice to do it. So you can't do it on a 2x2, 4x4, that sort of thing. You kind of can, but it doesn't look perfect. So let's give it a try. How fast can I do a 5x5 super flip? Okay, first attempt, let's go. Ah, 13 seconds, alright, not bad. So because of this, I had a fun idea to do a relay of all my cubes. So I do 3x3 to 11x11 because I don't have the even layered puzzles in between because you can't really do that. I'm gonna go 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And that's what I got here, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And we're gonna do a super flip on all of them. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna start with the 3x3 first. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, no, gotta lock up. Okay. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna have to start again. Oh no, I messed that one up. That's the problem with the super flip, there's too many M moves. Okay, let me just fix this real quick and we'll start again. Fix that. Let's try it again. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Oh my god, I messed up that one again. Oh, this is so annoying. Alright, restart. Okay, third attempt. Let's go. Let's not mess up this time. Whatever, they're blue now. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. No. What? How? Alright, we got it, let's go. Nice, alright, last one, let's go. This is gonna take like the whole time. Oh man, done. There you go, look pretty cool. Got all the sides done. Okay, just under 4 minutes I guess, not bad. Alright, final attempt. Oh, took a bit longer than I thought, but how fast can you solve one? Pretty happy with that, but I'm not going to do that again because it sucks. Oh yeah, and there's just a side thing. You can actually do it on a Pyraminx as well, but it's a bit of a different algorithm. You just do these swapping algorithms, twist the corners, and then it looks kind of the same. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.